Are you tired of losing money on projects because you're not tracking billable hours? Learn to set up a project in Zoho Books in under 3 minutes. We'll walk through creating a new project, setting billing rates, budgets, and tasks. Let's start by opening Zoho Books. Open Zoho Books in your browser. Click on Time Tracking from the left sidebar. Click on Projects to see your existing projects. Click the Create New Project button to start a new one. Type in your project name. Enter a unique project code to identify it. Select the customer this project is for from the drop-down. Choose Based on Project Hours as the billing method. Type in the billing rate per hour. Add a brief description of the project. Set the project budget for total hours or cost. Enter the revenue budget for expected income. Type a task name for the first task. Give it a description. Click Save to create the project. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.